everyone. Welcome back to Easy English with Ella and Sam.
Hi, friends. I'm Sam, and today we're going to talk about your weekend plans in English.
Yes, this is a real English conversation practice for beginners, A1 to A2 level. So, if you're learning how to speak English naturally, you're in the right place.
We'll listen, repeat, and practice together, just like chatting with friends.
Before we start, don't forget to like this episode, subscribe, and share it with your English learning friends. It really helps us out.
All right, ready? Let's talk about your weekend plans.
So, Sam, what are you doing this weekend?
This weekend I'm going hiking with my friends.
Oh, that sounds fun. I'm going hiking with my friends. Let's practice that, everyone. Say it with me. I'm going hiking with my friends.
Nice. You can also say, I'm going to the mountains, or I'm going for a walk.
Good job. Let's learn some useful weekend words. Listen and repeat. Relax. Meet friends. Go shopping. Watch a movie. Visit family.
Great. Let's use them in short sentences.
Okay, I'll start. I relax on Saturday morning.
Nice. I meet my friends on Sunday.
I go shopping for groceries.
I watch a movie at home.
And I visit my family on Sunday afternoon.
Perfect. Those are all simple ways to talk about your weekend.
Let's listen to a short weekend conversation. First, just listen. Hi, Ella. What are you doing this weekend?
Hi, Sam. I'm visiting my parents. How about you?
I'm going to the park with my dog.
Oh, that sounds nice. I love the park.
Yeah, I go there every weekend. Okay, let's talk about it together. The question was, what are you doing this weekend? That's a very useful sentence. Let's repeat it. What are you doing this weekend? Good. You can answer with, I'm visiting my parents, or I'm going to the park.
Try saying your own plan now. Think, what will you do this weekend?
Great job. Even if you're just listening, say it out loud. Speaking helps you remember.
Yes. Remember, it's okay if it's simple. You can say, I'm staying home this weekend. I'm cooking dinner. I'm cleaning my room.
All of those are real English. That's what people say every day. Let's make it a little longer. Sam, ask me again.
Sure. What are you doing this weekend?
I'm going shopping on Saturday, and on Sunday, I'm watching a movie.
Nice. What movie are you watching?
I don't know yet. Maybe something funny.
I like that. I'm cooking on Sunday.
Really? What are you cooking?
Pasta, my favorite weekend food.
That sounds delicious. Okay, friends, now it's your turn. Repeat after us. I'm going shopping on Saturday. I'm watching a movie on Sunday. I'm cooking pasta. Awesome! Let's practice one more question. What do you usually do on weekends?
Good one. Usually means most weekends, not just this one.
Exactly. So you can say, I usually sleep late. I usually meet my friends. I usually go to the gym.
Perfect. Short, simple, and clear.
Now let's do a quick listen and repeat round. Ready? I'm staying home this weekend. I'm meeting my friends on Saturday. I'm visiting my family on Sunday. I'm watching a movie tonight. I'm going to the beach. Good job! You're improving already.
Let's do one mini conversation together. I'll say one line, you answer. What are you doing this weekend?
Nice! Sounds fun. Now switch. You ask me, what are you doing this weekend? I'm going to the park with my friends. See? Easy and real. This is how people actually talk. Let's review what we learned today.
We practiced how to ask and answer, "What are you doing this weekend?" And "What do you usually do on weekends?"
We also learned new words like relax, visit family, meet friends, watch a movie, go shopping.
That's right. Keep practicing these sentences out loud. You can even record yourself speaking.
And we'd love to hear from you. Comment, tell us in the comments, what are you doing this weekend?
Yes, we'll read some of your answers in the next episode.
Don't forget to like this episode, subscribe, and share it with your English learning friends. It really helps us out.
All right. Thanks for learning with us today. And remember, your English is getting better every week.
See you next time, friends. Bye, everyone.
Bye, everyone. Have a great weekend.